This is the first time somebody can choose this path. A young girl, a young fella wanting to get involved with the renewable energy business can now choose that career path, and this is a genuine option. It is an exciting opportunity for anyone who's choosing a career in the renewable sector.
Best decision I ever made anyway to get into the industry, you know. It suits me, it suits my lifestyle, and yeah, I really enjoy it.
When we started now, we had to do all our training in Denmark, you know. There was no real training locally, you know.
It's the first of its type in Ireland, and Kerry is the only place that you can do this apprenticeship. The industry are looking for people. There's work out there. There will be many, many more jobs going forward out there.
It gives you job security. You're only going one way, it's only going one way, it's only going to get bigger and bigger.
This apprenticeship was developed by some of the world-leading organisations. Throughout your apprenticeship, you would work alongside some of the most capable individuals from within the industry and be part of something that's unique and special.
We're here at Glenrory Wind Farm, which is owned by Green Court Renewables and operated by Energy Pro Asset Management, with ourselves Vestas providing the operations and maintenance service for the 11 V112s on site.
You'll get your job, you're in two-man teams, maybe four-man teams depending on the job.
We could be anywhere. We have a good variety of work, to be honest.
There's a huge raft of activity to be covered. It's impossible to say you'll be doing the same thing this Monday as you will be next Monday.
The opportunities are there to see different parts of Ireland. The wind turbine apprenticeship will take you all over this country.
The way the apprenticeship works is you have your in-class training and then you have on-site training.
For 20 weeks, you will start from the very beginning. You'll spend 50% of your time in the classroom and 50% in the workshop. We will teach the main components of the turbine, which go from the blades to the rotor, to the low-speed shaft, to the gearbox. There'll be a very, very wide range of training carried out here. In year 2 then, you have 16 weeks for us inside here, and you will have 36 weeks outside with your company.
Most likely you'll be working with a large multinational, which again would open up other possibilities in the future.
Year 3, this is where then hopefully everything going according to plan, you receive your qualification. But every person that will come through here will be trained highly within the health and safety area.
There are no registration fees, no tuition fees, and no exam fees.
The industry told us what they want. We sat down and we built that program around that.
The company I specifically work for are spread across the globe. Now we have got a recipe to develop and grow our own, specifically for the industry. It's the first apprenticeship of its type for the industry within Ireland. Kerry is the only ETB that runs this course at present. So I would argue that anybody coming through this course would have a distinct advantage. The industry is thriving at the moment. The organisation that represents the industry, Wind Energy Ireland, we literally need thousands more people to work in our industry. But if an employer wants to run a recruitment campaign and recruit a technician or 2 or 3 and nominate them to Kerry, that's also a way onto the course. Working on the various wind farms throughout Ireland, we've seen entry-level candidates progress quite rapidly, you know, within the first 2, 3, 4 years to more senior roles, even in the wind farms as supervisors or managers.
One of the reasons I got into a trade at all was to see the world in the wind turbine industry. I mean, they're everywhere. Once you're qualified, you can travel, especially when you're with the bigger companies. You can transfer internally to different countries, and that's hugely appealing to me anyway.
This is the future. Producing energy from the wind is the future. When you look at this, you're looking at 2050 for zero emissions. We have many, many years to go.
If you really want to be part of a really bright and sustainable future, this is an opportunity for you.